Did you know that on those days where you may feel a little low, that the colours within you can begin to fade, and they can even turn a little grey? For the colour can go out of you, and you may not feel so bright, but the colours can always be renewed. Every day you can renew your colours. Come with me to an enchanted place to bring the colour back into your world, and you will feel so different. For the colours will light up your life for you. Feel the sacred mists come around you and let them settle upon you. And when those mists begin to part, you will find yourself in the most enchanted place. And everywhere you look, there is so much beauty. The beauty and the colour of nature. As you look around, you are aware of coloured lights coming towards you. And you see that those lights are fairies, the elementals who look after the colours in nature and in the flowers. And they come to you like a crowd of children, laughing and joyful. They take your hands and lead you to the most beautiful waterfall. And they ask you to stand upon a stone beneath the waterfall. So you do this. And you feel the water washing over you. It flows over you completely. And you feel it purifying and cleansing you. It is so freeing. And the water just flows and flows. And it is like crystal water. But then you observe that as the water washes over you, grey dust seems to pour out of you. It is the strangest thing, for the water is clearing away the old grey energy out of you. But the fairies come with a crystal bowl and they gather the grey dust within it, and they do it with so much joy. Feel the water as it flows and flows and cleanses you. All your own thoughts, all those thoughts you have had, you let them go. Any pain, you let it go. Any sadness, you let it all flow away from you. And as it does, the fairies collect the old energy in their crystal bowl. When you feel that this is complete, you move away from the waterfall and join the fairies, and you sit together on the grass. And as you peer into the crystal bowl, the fairies begin to chant a wonderful, ancient, mystical chant. And as they do this, all the grey dust transforms into crystals of every colour you could ever imagine. All the colours are in there. Then one of the fairies puts their hands into the bowl and they draw out from it new clothing for you, crystal clothing of many colours. And they hand this to you for you to put on. And as you wear it, the lightness is incredible. And the colours sparkle all around you. You feel as light as a feather. But the fairies have not finished with you yet, for they take your hands again and they lead you through the land. And they take you to the fairy hill. And they lead you up a track to the very top of it. And when you reach the top, you see how far you have ascended. And you can look down with such clear vision to the view below. The fairies then turn you around so that you are facing the sun. And as they do this, the sun beams down upon you. And it creates rainbows all around you from the crystal clothing which you are wearing. And the light is incredible. You feel like you have become the rainbow, and all the rainbow colors are within you. And when you look down, you see that your aura is filled with color. So much color. And you feel the warm sun filling you also. And the fairies sit down in a circle around you, and they begin to sing the most enchanting song. And you find yourself drifting and drifting. And a great sense of peace and calm comes over you. And the sun begins to set. And it creates that wonderful light which only appears at the end of the day. And you bask in that light. And you are filled with that light. And you are filled with the rainbow colors. And you know that from this moment, you can always fill up with the colors when you feel a little grey. And when you are filled with the colors, others feel those colors within you. And they receive them too. And their greyness disappears as well. as their colours are renewed. Like the ripples on a pond, the rainbow colours just spread and spread. So become the rainbow every day of your life and renew your colours often. And let those colours bring you peace and bring you love and comfort. And may you always be blessed with the rainbow of many colours.